That means she's back from the pub. Charge less than 50. 50.
So we're seeing
50 for the small ones.
using this? Oh, right.
So it's got to be 50.
Yeah.
You might just go 50, 70, 90.
Yeah.
Because by the time I put the frames, it's going to be a tenner anyway.
The next stop will be Netherlands Road.
The effort, you don't want to feel like you're still cheating. I just say I want to go from the gentle end rather than, and actually get rid of something rather than like booze. She's put that thing up for 3,500.
You should.
Yeah,
Is that
no.
one that Gavin said isn't the right way round?
Yeah. Poor boo. Let's have a cut. You can find her on the site. She's been long listed. She says I've got to go in for it as well. What's going on?
This tram is for Beckenham Junction. The next stop will be Sandilands.
Change there for trams to New Addington and buses to Shirley.
I don't think it's coming up. Maybe it hasn't made it to the website, but she did want to see. People were finding it, so I don't know where it is. Maybe she's Barbarina.
Oh my goodness, that's hilarious. What? Yeah, so you didn't wait for us, did you? You just went down
No,
the
because
bed.
Dad needed to just keep going,
Oh, right.
and I thought I'd get him onto the wall. Why was it funny? What?
He doesn't like lifts. I'm not sure all of us going in. And then we stopped halfway down, and we just like jumped out and walking like, no, not there yet. And then these other people go in, and she asked them, and she made the two other people go in first, and she was at the end because she told them that she was claustrophobic.
Oh no. She's hilarious, isn't she?
Yeah, she's
It's not very so much. This is so chill. Yeah. I can do that. Most of it. I mean, I know exactly the picture they've used for that as reference. It's not good stuff. So,
This tram is for
no, yeah,
Beckenham Junction. The next stop will be Addiscombe.
I don't know. She's gone in as a young artist. I think I will enter. She only thought it was digital image. And you have to write waffle. She's going to write my waffle for me. She thinks she's got that down. It's Barbarina. But in the meantime, we do have your free chart. I think yes, your one. If you're interested. She summed them up, Gavin and Norman summed up as six money.
Right.
That's basically, she didn't say that in the
Oh, okay.
it's all about that and that.
Oh, okay. Well, both of them.
Both of them, yeah.
Right, okay.
Yeah, because of what they've got. And I said, what about my husband? How would you sum it up in 2 words?
Yeah.
She said, work and kindness. I said, I know what I'd rather. Sex and money.
The next stop
was there?
will be Addison.
No, she's cross with going because they introduced tuning. I don't know who she was.
Yeah, that was good.
We had to
Really, when we got there.
yeah, we had to gradually work
No
out
idea.
she's the housekeeper.
Yeah, we didn't know she was.
The staff.
Why did you stay off?
She's been going out with him for 3.5 years.
Really?
Yeah. And so, yeah, we told.
Why did it say goodnight to her? Very bad.
Yeah, because I
I
did.
thought she was coming down.
I had an old chat with her because she's got a son who's 20.
Right.
He's autistic. He hasn't finished education.
This tram is for Beckenham Junction.
Oh.
The next stop will be Black Horse
Where did she
Lane.
live? Right.
She's really not nice, really
Yeah,
intelligent.
yeah, I picked that up.
Oh yeah.
Mm.
She's been told everything that we were saying.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
she's from Korea. She's interesting person.
Yeah, why didn't he, it's very odd, wasn't it?
He is odd.
It was like very odd that he didn't introduce her, and she answered the door as well. And we were like, is this right flat rugby?
Are you looking for Gavin? Yes. I'm tuning. Interesting as far as it's right. Thursday night.
Really?
She's my age,
Right.
but that doesn't matter. But I don't think so. I think he's a player. I don't think he's that awesome. I don't know. Maybe he's settled with her, I don't know. I don't think she can leave home because of the boy.
Right, okay.
So that's an issue. He probably prefers it that way.
Yeah, yeah.
His own space and keep her. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
no, her husband was Portuguese.
Okay.
Yeah, interesting. Lady.
Did it meet online?
I don't know. He does do quite a lot of it. He used to do a lot of online dating, so it's possible. It's quite catchy, isn't it?
The next stop will be Black Horse Lane.
Those are Brighton and everything.
Right, okay, wow.
And Nottingham. He's got quite a lot in Nottingham, and then he said, he sort of says, oh, we've got a police station. And I said, what are they doing in there? And he said, oh, yeah, 49 flats for the YMCA. 49.
Wow.
That's not just a flat in Croydon, is it?
No.
This tram is for Beckenham Junction. The next stop will be Woodside.
For buses to Norwood Junction.
I just don't want to eat. Should be able to buy. Do you want some more food?
So much.
Have you? Have you?
Yeah.
Why? Did somebody keep filling up your voice?
The next stop will be
No,
Woodside.
No, because I had some water.
Yeah, me too. I did feel quite dried out.
This tram is for
The
Beckenham
only thing,
Junction.
if there's no pasture in the house, there's no food.
The next stop will be Arena.
So it would be so plastic. I such a big shop, so just don't think again till tomorrow, and then I'll get some more. Do a pop shop tomorrow. Oh look, dodgy day.
Why were they talking about Dodgy Day on Friday night?
It's the alliterations. Get a little Helen. Hamish,
Oh right, is he?
filmmaking.
The next stop will be Arena.
It coaxed your mum and dad. You know what it feels like.
This tram is for Beckenham Junction. The next stop will be Harrington Road.
Is that your friend, Emma? It's your friend, Emma, isn't it? Flute player, Emma. It is.
Oh, that is. That one. Who is that then?
That's her.
It's not.
It is.
That is the one in the drawing. Yes, she's not looking.
Is she?
Is she?
Yeah.
That's not it.
Is that not her?
That is. The other one.
It's the same hair.
It's not that. No, it's not that.
Have I got the wrong one?
Yeah. They remessaged it.
Oh, head of music at Oxford County Council. She knows all these people. Maybe she tried to be friends with me and I just accepted it. I don't know why. She follows me. This is sharp, isn't it?
Is it?
Not open much or at all. They seem to have faded out.
It's just got nothing apart from the train, it's got no footfall, is it?
No.
Perfect for train times.
It's never open. No, I think it's faded. This side.
The next stop will be Harrington
Oh,
Road.
she greeted me